Hello there, my name is Emin. In this video, I want you to show how you can do main settings for Ticket24 using robots. So the thing is, then you go install Ticket24, you have empty group usually, and you need to somehow install or customize your tickets. So you need to add a responsible person for ticket. You need to define a deadline for each ticket and need to track completed or walk-in tickets. And also usually people add a notification for each ticket. Once you install Ticket24, you got such cabinet with Ticket24 Pro. So in Ticket24 from marketplace, you have no that data, you have no that fields, but the rest is the same. So you creating a ticket, create ticket, you selecting department and selecting, for example, media. Just to recall, all these settings you have to done right here. So in main settings, so you need to select group settings, you need to select which groups are you going to add to your ticketing system, and tags. So type of a message, priority, and sector. So I'm not using sector, that's why it's empty. Right. So I'm continuing to creating ticket. So I'm creating one. Right, so it's status new now. If I'm going back, so I created a ticket and I got a ticket in my system. By default, happened nothing. So I'm a responsible person because if I'm going to group to the members, I will see that a member. So you need to add more members if you want to be somebody else to be a responsible person for your tickets. But currently it's not important. Okay, for example, one person, if type of message bug, if message development, I want to define another person. So both work in the same way. I'm going back to groups and I'm clicking automation rules. Right, in automation rules, I'm creating new robot. Okay, and I need to select for employee. For example, change responsible person. So I'm selecting that. So for one responsible person, on one condition, I will select one robot, and for another responsible person, I will select another robot. So for example, I'm clicking change on first one, and I'm selecting condition. Run immediately, so I need to run once ticket created, yes. And conditions, so condition like which, for example, we will select, in that case, we will select type of message bug or development. For example, if client writes a ticket for the bug, so go to the condition, select task, and go back directly to the tags. So because we creating tags once we creating ticket, so visit tags, right? And we selecting if includes bug. If tag includes bug, then new responsible person will be Marcos, right? And change behalf of a moderator, me. Okay. Then go to another robot. Click change, and another condition. If, go directly to the tags. If tags include development. Then select the responsible person, Alex. behalf of me. Save. Save. Now go back. So we need to delete that. Now I'm going to create one ticket with bag. So in that case, Marcus should be responsible person. Send. Okay. So we got a task, and what will happen here? Hey, Marcos is a responsible person because it was one of our condition. Right. So let's move that ticket to this stage. Now we will create another ticket with development. In case of development, we will have responsible person Alex. Coming back, open it. Yes, Alex now responsible person because he's in we got a development tag right here. Good. Now we handle with responsible person. Now we need to do something with a deadline, because a deadline by default is the same second when you create a ticket. So we need to change that. Okay, so I want to, if I will be high, ticket will be high, I need to have deadline 1 day. If medium, 3 days. If low, 5 days. How we can do that? In the same way. Coming back, open robots, creating a robot, go to for employee, and now we need to select modify task. So one robot for high, another one for medium, and the last one for low priority. Click change, and we need to delete that field because we're not going to use it. Go to condition, go to empty, and selecting go to task and tags, and includes. So we need to put exactly as here as high. So high, select, and in that case we need to select deadline. When you click on these fields, go here. In means when. In case of high, 1 day, 1 days, and select. So what we done, we select if task ticket include high, then deadline should be in 1 days after dates of creation, right? So don't override, you can ignore that and change behalf of admin. Save. Okay, so going to the next robot, so we can change that high priority deadline. Then we're going to that task, can modify it straight away. High, medium, right? So modify that task, and again condition, go to task, tags, includes, should be exactly as here, medium. Select, and we don't need that field, and deadline here in 3 days. Select behalf of responsible person me. Save. Okay, save all of this. Okay, we can change. We can change that as well and put it low priority deadline. Right, change, and again condition task and includes low. Select, delete, select field, deadline in 5 days. Select behalf me. Save. Right, let's do the test. So I'm creating our ticket. Test will be high. Bug. Test 5. Test 5. Okay, so we got this ticket, and we see deadline is tomorrow. So today is 24th of May, tomorrow, exact time. Okay, because it's high. Okay, sorted. Let's go if we will select medium. It should be 3 days, right? Okay, deadline is 25th. So 1, 2, 3, yes. Okay, because is medium. Okay, done. Let's test the last one. If we have low, means 5 days. Low, bug. Coming back. Okay, and we see deadline as 5 days. Nice. What else? Okay, if we go into automation rules, also I would modify this high priority deadline so we can put a fire on it. I can select field, high priority, and set up high priority. Yes, so if tags include high, set up deadline and high priority. Okay, save. Coming back, create ticket. High, bug, okay, so you see the fire, extra priority, and high priority here. Good, done. What else? I would like to have a notification once somebody created a ticket. Okay, so I'm going automation rules again. I'm creating a ticket for creating a robot, click on for employee and change status, create task, delete item, modify, send an email. So coming back later, add notification. Right, add notification. So run immediately, no condition, just new ticket created. Okay, and sender will be admin, me, responsible person. What does that mean? And I need to select that after previous automation rule. So it shouldn't be run immediately when task created. It should be run after responsible person assigned. This is what tick means. Actually, you can put here any text. So if click save, and in that case, I need to change to myself because I want to see notification if somebody will select a bug. Okay. Okay, what I done? If somebody will create a ticket with a bug, so medium bug, send, I should get notification. Hey, I got notification because I'm responsible person for bugs. So if you go to the robots, you can see that you can add many other names here, priority, start date, and so on. Right, the same story if you want to add notification by email for employee, send an email. Okay, so I'm going here, condition from, so I will select my email to responsible person. So this is subject, responsible person, and they will during notification they will select responsible person email, which you can find right here. Okay, coming back, so we need to, and like we can add a subject, new ticket created, and something here using different variables, blah blah blah, and so on. So I will save that, okay, and coming back, so move, and I will create a ticket, sport, medium, bug, right. So a new created, and I should get a notification. So I'm going to the email and open this email, and I see that new ticket created and description. So you can add notification to your users via email as well. Right. So I will delete that for now. What else I need? So I got notification, deadline, responsible person. Now I want to do the following. If somebody click finished here, that means that that ticket should be moved to that stage and closed here. Okay. So for example, I click finish, and ticket comes from that stage to the last stage, and I don't see it. So for that, I need to click automation rules and create for employee change stage. Right. So I will delete that. For example, in that stage, if so new stage, if you close that task in that stage, in new stage will be completed. Condition, task. So we selecting here, somewhere here, status equal to completed. Select. Okay. Save. Okay, I'm going back. For example, we got this test 5. We open it. And we finish it. So it's one is finished, it should go to the last stage. Yes. Okay. And we need to go to automation rules and set up change stage. We need to copy it. We copy it to that stage and to that stage. We don't need here because it's already there. Okay, let's test in that stage. If I'm close that task, finish, and I will unfilter it, I will see that it's go to the completed stage and completed. And that will be much better for your user to select that task is completed stage now. And if you use some filters, find, so you see that he will see a completed stage and the task is closed. Right. Under work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think it's all main things is here. The main idea is just to show you how you can use robots, and but you can do many other things, like send an email to your clients once different stages and so on. But we need to use business process automation here, and I'm trying to make video short. That's why I will show that in next video. So if you like that video, click like. If you got questions regarding that video, please put your questions in under comments under that video. Thank you and bye bye.